Hello everybody, Sound Like a 13. National Weather Service have issued a tornado warning for Union County. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Shawneetown. If you live in Shawneetown, seek shelter in the interior room at the lowest floor of the building. If you're in this area, seek shelter. This is a possible dangerous tornado. We had a tornado emergency for Harrisburg, and right now, if you live in this area, seek shelter at the time. I don't see any funnel cloud yet. We gotta take a little closer look. So if you're in this area, seek shelter anytime. And this is a dangerous storm. And a severe thunderstorm is in Union County, so seek shelter anytime. We'll be right back. We'll get some more information. All right, we got a possible tornado on the ground. Possible tornado on the ground. Possible tornado on the ground. We're back again for. Anyways, we're back for.
Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar.
Tornado.
You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Clifty and Everett. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
Tornado's on the ground. It's somewhere in Shawneetown. If you're in the Shawneetown area, seek shelter. This is a tornado emergency has been declared.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from.
At the end of the day, we will.
Repeating, a tornado warning is in effect until 7:15.
If there's we will update more about this tornado damage at the end of the video and the editing. So
until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Crittenden, Davis, Henderson, Hopkins, Lyon, McLean, Muhlenberg.
This is a possible tornado.
Union and Webster. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions.
This is a possible tornado on the ground. We got a possible tornado.
Including tornadoes, large
In Shawneetown.
To protect your life, take cover now.
This is Shawneetown over there, and this is on the ground.
Carry a room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
This is a tornado on the ground. I repeat, this is a tornado on the ground in Shawneetown.
In the vehicle, move to the closest.
If you're watching this tornado, this is a dangerous tornado.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning.